In this exercise, we will learn the Type tool. Basically, we can type characters and paragraphs by using the Type tool. Okay, let's see how this tool will work. If I move my arrow key on Tools, here we can see the Text tool, and we can right-click on it to select Type tool. We have a horizontal type tool, vertical type tool, vertical mask type tool, and a horizontal type mask tool. Okay, let's select first the horizontal type tool and click here. We can see that line is blinking. That means that we can type text here, something like this. Very easy. Here we have a font option. We can change it to any available font. Next, mode option. We can change the mode of a specific font. We can make it bold, italic, semi-bold. If any of those options are available in the font, then you are able to use them. For example, let's select any font here. Let's say Myriad Pro font, and we can see italic, bold, and italic bold options. Next, we have a font size. We can select a font and choose any size, or we can click on this side and we can double click the arrow key sign, and we can drag it from the right or left side to adjust the size. Next, we have sharp option, crisp, strong option. My opinion is that sharp is the best option for normal text use. Okay, next we have left center and right align text. If I click here and drag it, then we can write text in the paragraph. And we can start typing from the center or from the right or left by choosing options. Okay, next we have wrap option, and we can see different options here. Our choices are arc, lower, upper, flag, wave, fish twist. We have many different styles to choose from. If I write text here and select these options, one by one, something like that, we can see the different styles. And we can also adjust the styles from here. We can flip vertical and horizontal. And we have bend option, horizontal and vertical. And you can try any option. And here is the color change option. We can change any color from here. Okay, in the next exercise, we will learn the foreground and background color options and screen mode options.